Hello, I am Dia Makwana from BloggersPassion team. If you're planning to buy a domain or hosting for your website, wait for 1 minute. Namecheap is running some huge discount right now, some even up to 99% off. In next 2 minutes, I'll explain everything in simple way. Even if you're buying hosting for the first time, you'll understand it completely. Let me quickly explain two basic things first, so nothing feels confusing later. A domain name is your website name. For example, the part that comes after www, your company's name.com. For example, www.bloggerspassion.com. Hosting is the space where your website's files are actually live on the internet. Think of it like renting a room where your website stays online. Namecheap sells both of this along with the extra tools like email and security. And right now they have a big discount on almost everything. Let's go through them one by one. First, let's talk about domain names. You can get a .com domain, which is the most common and trusted domain type, at a lower yearly price instead of usual rate. Some domain names are available for less than $1 a year, which is a great starting point if you are on a budget. There are also good discounts on other domain type like .club, .blog, .org, .net and .in. One simple thing to remember. These discounts are only for buying a new domain or moving an existing domain from another company to Namecheap. They do not apply if you are renewing a domain you already have with Namecheap. Now, let's talk about hosting, which is where your website actually stays online. Shared hosting is the most beginner-friendly option. It means your website shares server space with other websites, which keeps the price low. Right now, Namecheap is giving shared hosting completely free for the first 30 days before the regular price starts. Shared hosting comes in 3 plans, so you can pick based on how big your website is. The first plan is called Stellar. This is the starting plan, good for personal website or small blog. It includes space for 3 websites and 20 GB of storage. The second plan is Stellar Plus. This one removes the limit. You get unlimited websites and unlimited storage, plus automatic backup included. The third plan is Stellar Business. This is the biggest plan, still with unlimited website, but with even more cloud storage. Ideal if you are running a growing business hood. All 3 plans include a free website builder, so you don't need any coding knowledge, along with free SSL security certificate, and a free website migration if you are moving from another host. If your website grows even bigger and need more power, options like VPS hosting and dedicated server hosting are available too. This gives you more control, similar to having your own private space instead of sharing it with others. Namecheap also offers a few extra tools that are useful once your website is live. Business email lets you create a professional email address using your own domain name instead of using a regular free email service. SSL security is what makes your website show that small lock icon in the browser that tells visitors your site is safe, and it is discounted right now too. If you also want a VPN for private and secure internet browsing, Namecheap's fast VPN plan is available at a very low monthly price. Now let me show you how simple it is to actually use this discount just in 3 steps. Step 1. Open the Namecheap page using the coupon code link given in the description. Step 2. Pick whatever you need, a domain, hosting or any other service. Step 3. Select the plan as per your requirement is and proceed it. If you want to buy a new domain, you can search it and select the domain, or if you have an existing one, you can use that as well and go to checkout. Just take a moment to confirm the final price before you pay. So whether you are building your first website or you already run few, this is the great time to save money on Namecheap. The coupon code link is given in the description. Once you click on the link, the coupon will be applied automatically, but in case it's not, you can apply it manually. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Bloggers Passion YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.